Let us begin in the presence of Almighty. I invite P. Mahit to lead us in the Our Father prayer.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Thank you. Music has a power that words alone do. Please join us as our class choir performs a praise song to lift our spirits.
Where there seems to be no way, He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my God. Hold me closely to His side, with love and strength for each new day. He will make a way.
School attention. A promise made to one's country is commitment to strive until the end. I request my friends to come forward and lead us in the pledge.
My country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I bless my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
School, stand please. While we focus on our personal goals, we must stay connected to the world around us. I call upon my classmates to present today's news highlights.
Good morning, Good morning, respected father, teachers, and all your elections. International news. A strong 6.3 magnitude earthquake struck northwest China today, triggering emergency checks and damage estimates.
National news. The prestigious Amrit Rana conclave is being held in New Delhi today to honor extraordinary national achievements.
State news. Anantapur is hosting a major climate conference today focused on promoting the Western national farming.
Sports news. In the FIFA World Cup, France defeated Senegal 3-1 with Kylian Mbappe scoring twice to become France's joint all-time top scorer. Weather forecast. Minimum 29 degrees Celsius, maximum 33 degrees Celsius. This is the end of the news. Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Before we move forward, let us pause for the most important reflection of the morning, our thought for the day.
A very good morning, Reverend Father, Reverend Sister, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Farhan of class 10. I am standing here to tell today's talk. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you finish. I repeat, don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you finish. Thank you.
And now we move to the most awaited part of our assembly to take us through this journey and show us what it truly means to never give up. I invite our friend Vishwar and UK Rakesh to take the stage.
Good morning, everyone. They say the distance between a dream and reality is called discipline. But what happens when discipline runs out? What do you do when your mind screams stop and the world throws a wall in your face?
Today we go inside the head of a finisher. Meet the team. Relay. Our fighter. Tired but still standing. Laziness. The voice that says tomorrow is better than today. Logic. The cold machine that calculates the cost of quitting. The glitch. The chaos of life that breaks your spirit. The parent. The quiet love that keeps you hydrated. And finally, the mentor. The one who has been there, done that, and knows exactly why you cannot quit.
Willie is working on a project at midnight 12 a.m. This isn't a project, it's a test of soul. Let's watch Willie strive to the end.
Scene 2. The mental battle. Laziness. Relay. Look at the time. It's midnight. Even the birds are sleeping. Just close the eyes for 5 minutes. I promise we'll wake up early. And then logic enters.
Logic. You have a 0.02 chance of waking up at 4 a.m. If you sleep now, you will fail. It's a mathematical certainty.
Relay. I know, but I have rewritten this 10 times. My brain is empty. And then the parent enters. Placing a hand on Relay's shoulder.
Parent, the house is quiet, Willie. The world is waiting for you to finish. Don't do it for the grade. Do it because you promised yourself you would. Here, drink this. Keep going.
Scene 3. The crisis. The glitch enters with a loud, distorted noise. He pulls the plug. Crash. Blue screen. Internet gone. I am the battler you didn't plan for. How can you strive to the end when I moved the finish line? Give up, Relay. It's over.
Willie, standing up and it is a death. That's it. I'm done. I worked so hard and for what? A frozen screen? I quit.
Scene 4. The mentor's comments. The mentor voice booms out, deep, calm, and steady. Mentor. Relay. Sit down.
Willie, I can't, mentor. The computer crashed. Everything is gone.
Mentor. Listen to me. Common sense tells you that a crash is just a pause, not a stop. You aren't crying because the work is gone. You're crying because you're tired.
Willie, but it's not fair.
Mentor. Life isn't fair, Relay.
Life is a race. The glitch only attacks people who are about to win. If you are a failure, he wouldn't bother with you. You are 99% finished, and you really going to that 1% of bad luck destroy 99% of hard work? Strive to the end, relay, because it's easy. You are a finisher.
Scene 5. The final push.
Relay, a long pause. Relay looks at the laptop, then at the glitch. Logic. Reboot the system.
Logic. System coming back online. Backup file found. 60 seconds to the deadline. The glitch. I'll slow the upload.
Relay, pushing past him. You're just a distraction. Get out of my way. Procrastination tries to offer a massage, but Relay pushes it away. Relay hits the enter button with a loud thud.
The glitch and procrastination vanishes.
Logic says that mission successful and the time remaining is 4 seconds.
Did you see that Willie didn't won because they were the masters? Because Willie won, he refused to let the glitch have the last word. In your life, you will face glitches who want you to sleep and glitches that break your heart. But remember what the mentor said. The struggle is proof that you are close. Don't stop when it hurts. Don't stop when it's hard. Strive to the very end because the person you become at the finish line is worth every bit of pain.
Thank you.
Father to come forward and share his thoughts and blessings to with us.
Brothers and sisters, respected teachers, members of the non-teaching staff, and my dear students, good morning to everybody. First of all, I appreciate and thank and congratulate the 10th class students for their meaningful and good performance. And I appreciate especially thank the teachers, Ravindra Rao and others who were guiding them and helping them for this performance. As you know, coming Saturday, this Saturday is a feast of our patron St. Aloysius Gonzaga, and it's the date is supposed to be 21st. Now, during the year there will be several celebrations. These are part of our program, and all these have got celebrations, have got their own advantage in our formation because it's not merely intelligent formation. All the different aspects of the personality development and formation. So these celebrations also have their own meaning. But I would like to remind you one thing. Because of these celebrations during the year, Swami as I mentioned, it will take some time and a lot of energy, extra time from you. However, when you spend time for this kind of curricular and non-curricular activities and celebrations, you must make sure that it will not affect your academic performance, your studies. So without any compromise, we need other performances, other activities, but it should not affect your studies. Of course, to a certain extent, it is unavoidable. However, you should make up for it. You should make up for the time spent for other practices and so on. Then it will be an enrichment for you. Otherwise, if you focus on only these celebrations and so on, at the end, if you say, oh, I spent so much time for this, so I could not do exam, then that excuses will not work. So make sure that your extra time you spend for preparations, etc., is not going to affect your studies. And in case it is affected, make up for it. So I wish you all the best. Have a good day. God bless you.
gratitude to everyone who supported us today. I invite T. Dhananjay to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, Reverend Father, Reverend Sisters, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, T. Dhananjay of Class 10C, representing vote of thanks. Firstly, I thank Reverend Father for giving this wonderful opportunity to present our assembly. Also thank our class teacher, P. Ramchandra Master, and Andre teacher for helping in this assembly. Also thank Vinod brother for setting this stage. Thank you.
Thank you.
School attention. Assembly dispersed.